Unlock the secret to pristine gadgets with our upgraded cleaning kit, featuring a unique selection of tools like a metal pen tip for stubborn stains and a thin, soft brush for delicate areas. This kit caters to all your cleaning needs, perfect for keeping your devices looking new at a value you can't ignore.